in 2026 March 20, can I go to Florida and then uli ko sa July.
Nga Florida.
US. and then school ko
School ka.
June 30.
So, mato kag Florida, US sa May. May 1.
No, May 20.
May 20. And then, balik ka school, June 30. So, 1 month kapin ka sa Florida. Musa maka sa Florida?
I want to have peace because
You want to have peace?
I'm having trouble in Philippines.
Why?
I have a lot of things.
You're having trouble in Philippines?
Yeah, because I don't like smoking there.
You don't like smoking? Sa US, wala day smoking. Are you sure? Ganun sa USA man yun. Dagag crocodile sa Florida.
What about Washington? No, not Washington.
Aman. Kung dili man sa...
New York.
Sosyalan, oy.
New York.
Wa man tay money. Mahal kayo mato dito.
Nah. But still, I need New York.
Did you know that you need 1 million to go to US?
What about California or Texas?
Same. When you go to US, you need 1 million.
2026 lagi.
Mo gani. So, mo to pagkawat ng 1 million, hamtang mangawat og 1 million.
We're gonna reach 1 million. Okay, walay lakaw, no spending, no going to church because it has spending.
Huh? Dapat mag-go
Yeah,
to...
because it has offer, you give money.
Need na nung tamatog church.
No need to buy. No offering.
Uy, bad. Bad, mangko. Ambis kay mato kag church, kay pray no ni mo nga. Makadto kag US.
What if I will keep playing there? That's why I am having trouble. I can't stop playing it there.
Ano dito mag sa USA? Nga di man dili sa Singapore, Hong Kong, duol-duol. Japan. Shalan. Sa Batiyo na lang ka, or buton or rigata.
Pizza.
May pagmatog na ka, imong damguhon nga nakadto kag US. Go. Wait na.
San Mateo.
Sa Batiyo ra. Okay. Mas doable pa na.
Are you videoing?
Wala man.